Hello Bladers. Welcome to our daily drive, everyday tips for the everyday driver. Advanced safety features found in cars today. Number 1, Lane Departure Warning. Lane departure warning systems work by recognizing whether or not the vehicle stays in its lane. This would prevent future collision. Number 2, Automatic brakes and collision avoidance. Forward collision warning system monitors a vehicle's speed, the speed of a vehicle in front of it, and the distance between the vehicles, to provide a warning to the driver if the vehicles get too close so as to avoid a crash. Number 3, Adaptive cruise control. The concept of adaptive cruise control is that it's supposed to prevent collisions caused by high-speed driving. This system is made up of sensors and cameras, which makes it possible to stop or slow down your vehicle. Do you agree with our list? Or did we miss some of the ideas had in mind? Comment down below so we can discuss it. We publish a new episode every day. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, so that you don't miss out on all of our new releases. For more driving and car care tips, visit us at www.blade.ph. Blade Auto Center. It's Blade, it's better. If you like this video, please share it with your friends on social media. Help us build more subscribers by spreading the word around. Click the round icon to subscribe and one of the videos on the left to watch our next feature. See you again soon.